Bay Windows Houston, Texas offers a wide range of bay window styles and designs to suit any home. Whether you're looking for traditional wooden bay windows or modern vinyl bay windows, our selection is sure to meet your needs. Our bay window showroom in Houston provides a hands-on experience to help you choose the perfect bay window materials and sizes for your home. For those seeking energy-efficient solutions, our energy-efficient bay windows in Houston are designed to reduce energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Our bay window experts in Houston can guide you through the process of selecting the right bay window insulation and glass options to maximize energy savings. If you're considering a bay window replacement in Houston, our team of bay window contractors is ready to assist. We offer comprehensive bay window consultation services to ensure you receive accurate bay window quotes and the best bay window installation in Houston. Our Bay Windows Houston warranty guarantees peace of mind with every installation. Custom bay windows. Houston are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. Our custom bay windows are tailored to your specifications, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. From bay window hardware to bay window accessories, we provide everything you need for a complete bay window upgrade. Affordable bay windows in Houston are within reach with our competitive pricing and financing options. Our bay window maintenance services ensure your investment remains in top condition for years to come. Whether you need bay window replacement or regular upkeep, our team is here to help. Vinyl bay windows in Houston are a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. These windows offer excellent insulation properties and are available in various bay window styles and sizes. Our bay window showroom in Houston showcases the latest vinyl bay window designs, allowing you to explore the possibilities. Wooden bay windows in Houston provide a classic and timeless look for any home. Our selection of wooden bay windows is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and beauty. Visit our bay window showroom in Houston to see our range of wooden bay window options. Aluminum bay windows. Houston are an excellent choice for those seeking a sleek and modern appearance. These windows are lightweight yet strong, offering a contemporary look with minimal maintenance. Our bay window experts in Houston can help you select the right aluminum bay window for your home. Bay window replacement in Houston is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our skilled technicians are experienced in all aspects of bay window replacement, from fixing bay window glass to addressing bay window hardware issues. Trust our team for reliable bay window replacement services in Houston. Bay window contractors in Houston are dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality craftsmanship. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional bay window installation and replacement services, ensuring your satisfaction with every project. Contact us today for a bay window consultation in Houston. Bay window quotes in Houston are available upon request, providing you with a detailed estimate for your project. Our transparent pricing and commitment to quality make us the preferred choice for bay window installation in Houston. Schedule a bay window consultation today.